In today's video, I will teach you how to color correct yellow photos in Lightroom. Let's get started. The first step is adjusting white balance for natural colors. To do this, open the Develop module or simply press D on your keyboard. In the basic panel, adjust the temperature by moving the slider towards blue at around -10 to -40 to neutralize yellow. And if the skin looks too green, you can move the tint slider towards the magenta at around 5 to 15. You can also use the eyedropper tool or simply press W on your keyboard, then click on the neutral gray area for automatic correction. The second step is reducing yellow and orange in HSL panel. To do this, go to the HSL or color panel, and under saturation, decrease the yellow at around -10 to -50 to remove excess warmth. Then reduce the orange to around -5 to -20 if skin tones still look yellow. And under luminance, you can slightly increase it to around 5 to 20 to keep skin tones natural. This method is great for fixing yellow lighting while keeping colors balanced. The third step is adjusting highlights and shadows for a clean look. In the Tone Curve panel, reduce the highlights to around -10 to -30 if bright areas are too yellow. Then slightly lift the shadows at around 5 to 20 to restore details in darker areas. This helps balance contrast and removes yellow overexposure. The fourth step is using color grading for a cooler look. In the color grading panel, you can adjust the shadows by adding a cool blue tint. And for highlights, you can add a subtle warm tone. This keeps the photo natural while reducing unwanted yellows. The fifth step is using masking for targeted corrections. If only parts of the image like skin tones are too yellow, you can use the brush tool by pressing K on your keyboard or use the select subject masking. Then reduce the temperature and saturation only in the affected areas. This is great for fixing yellow lighting on faces while keeping the background warm. And for final adjustments for a polished look, you can increase the contrast at around 10 to 20 to bring back depth. Then lower the vibrance to around -5 to -15 if colors still feel too strong. Then slightly increase the dehaze at around 5 to 10 for clarity. This ensures your photo looks crisp and natural. By following these steps, you can remove yellow tones and restore natural balanced colors in your photos. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.